Hello, this is Building an iOS App with C#. This is Module 6, Video 1. In this video, I'm going to give an overview of our view models. Before we get to the view models, I just wanted to discuss the actual views that we're going to have in our app, because that will very much drive what view models we need. There are only going to be two views. The first one will essentially just be a list of exercise programs that have been configured in the exercise programs document. This view will also take into account what happens when the exercise program document's loading, etc. So it'll give some kind of visual feedback as to whether it's loading or whether it's failed to load. And also it'll probably have some extra information here about each exercise program, such as the duration of that exercise program. But I've just kept it simple here just for illustration. Now, when the user touches one of these exercise programs, they'll be taken to the second of our views, which is the exercise program view. And this view will allow them to see all the exercises in the exercise program, play the exercise program, pause it, skip through the exercises, etc. And again, I'm not showing everything here, and of course I hope it looks a lot better than this, but this just gives you the general idea of what we're shooting for in terms of our views. So based on that, the view models we're going to need are, first of all, an exercise programs view model, and that's basically going to be a collection of exercise program view models. But it will also have the logic around loading the exercise programs and providing some kind of status as to whether it's loaded or failed to load or whatever. So next would be the exercise program view model, which is essentially a collection of exercises that can be executed and paused and skipped and what have you. So there's a fair bit of logic in that view model as well. And then finally we have our exercise view model, which is a container for an individual exercise. And of course, all these view models are dependent upon the models and the services that we've put together in previous videos. So they are the three view models that I'm planning on implementing in this module, and they should give us enough functionality to put together the views that we saw in the previous slide. So I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.